So yeah, I don't know what's happening to this channel. So I hope y'all stick around for the ride. So I almost convinced myself that it was too late to go to the park. It was about 4:30, and I'm so glad that I did not listen. The sun wasn't setting for about another 4 hours, and that was plenty of time for me to enjoy this beautiful day. So I packed some snacks and I headed to my favorite place in New York City. I really love going to this park because I don't feel like I am in the city at all. Most people like to congregate in this area because the parking lot is right here, but I like to take this path and head out to the end, if you will, of the park. I just get lost in the scenery and I enjoy this beautiful New York City skyline in the back. And I really just imagine that I am in the middle of the woods. My camera really cannot capture how beautiful this water looks right now, and I'm so upset about it. My hair is blowing all over the place. It is very windy on this side of the park because of it's like extended out into the river, like a peninsula. Actually, I think it is a peninsula, but I love it. And as I'm sitting here enjoying this beautiful view, this is when the hustle and bustle of New York City seems so far away. Watching the planes come in and enjoying the sounds of the birds and the conversations in the background. I just feel so far away from the city and just able to enjoy nature. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of this because there is 12 grams. My hair looks crazy. 12 grams of added sugar into this for a total of 20 grams of sugar, and I don't need that. I meant to grab my Greek yogurt, and obviously I didn't. So I think this is about all I'm gonna have. Yeah. In the spoon. I am gonna eat these though. These are whole wheat, rosemary flavored, I think it's rosemary and olive oil flavored crackers. And they are so good. I'm sorry if you can't hear me over the wind. If it's too bad, I'll probably do a voiceover. But these are really good. I'm not gonna eat all of these, just a couple, because I'm actually about to head out of here because my battery is about to die. I bought my portable charger, but the piece that plugs into my phone, it doesn't work anymore, so I forgot to bring the wire to plug in to the portable charger to plug in to my phone. So it is getting kind of late, and I can't be out here with no phone service. So, well, with a dead battery. So I will say that this video is so different than what I normally post on this YouTube channel. So I don't know what's happening to this channel, but if you are here and you are watching this, I hope you like it, because I am enjoying this. I'm still gonna cook. Maybe I'll cook out here. I'm still gonna save my money because I need to save my money. And I'm still gonna bring y'all along for the ride, because that's what we do. That's what I do here. Cook, save my money, and bring y'all along for the ride. But when I started this channel, things were my life was different. Children were home. You know, I still have one still at home, one home from college, but they're big. And I actually started this channel to motivate myself to cook more, because we were eating out a lot and my food budget had ballooned. I hope y'all can hear me. But now I still cook at home because my family has to eat, but I'm approaching an empty nest. My daughter is going into her senior year in high school in September, and I don't know. I just want to be outside. I just want to camp. I just want to be in a park. I just want to be next to these trees and this water. So yeah, I don't know what's happening to this channel, so I hope y'all stick around for the ride. And you like it? Because I do. I like it. I like it. And I love these. These are so good. Thank y'all for hanging in there with me today and coming along with me my day trip to the park. It's still such a lovely evening. I hate to leave, but my battery's only on 15%, and that's the rule. If your battery's on 15% and you do not have a place to charge it, it's time to head home. So I'm heading home. I will see y'all next time when I'm doing something else. Probably will be back in the park, and I'll cook something.